Hi, in this tutorial we are going to link a server from an ArcGIS Enterprise to Qonda Vault. So in the previous tutorial we set up authentication for administration access. So we're logged into the admin console here. Now to link a server we need to go to the Servers tab and click Add New. So you'll notice here that we need to provide another app ID. So this is similar to the previous tutorial, but this is for the app access. So we're going to link an ArcGIS server from ArcGIS Enterprise. So we go to our content, we click New Item, Application. Now for the application type you want to pick Other and click Next. We'll give this a title of Qonda Vault Link Server Demo because we're linking a server to our Qonda Vault. We click Next, and you'll notice this time that the application has already been registered with this redirect URL at the bottom. So we need this in order for the application to be able to talk to Qonda Vault. So we do want to go to Update and just add our application URL again. So we click Add. So we now have two URLs. We've got the Qonda Vault URL and then also this special OAuth URL over here. So we click Update. We want to copy the app ID. So if we go back to Qonda Vault, we can paste in our app ID. We will call this BSO. Let's just call it Enterprise. Okay. So the base URL is the the URL for the server. So in this case, this is our ArcGIS server. So we just want to copy the URL for the server. So that's https bso.qonda.app/server. Don't worry about the owning system URL. You'll notice that it populated automatically when I clicked off the server. So this will get the owning system for that server, and we can press save. So once we have the server set up, you'll notice over here on the right it says it's not authorized. So there is a secondary step that we need to do. So from here we need to select the record that we want to authorize and we click Authorize. Now this will pop up a second window which will ask us to sign in to that application. So we're signing in as our site admin. You don't have to sign in as your administrator, you just need to sign in with an account that will have access to the services that you want to access. So we click Allow, and what happens next is that there is an OAuth approval code. We can just copy that to the clipboard. We can close that window, and then we just paste that code into this notification window. Now we press OK, and we'll see that our server has now changed to be authorized. So once that server is authorized, we can then go on to our next step, which is to add in a source. So we'll do that in another tutorial because there is another step here where we need to set up where we're going to store our attachments. So in this tutorial we set up or linked an ArcGIS server from ArcGIS Enterprise using a different app ID.